what are you praying for? Anto may idadasal yu Or why are you praying at all? I found this on Facebook. Sa kwanto, I pray a lot. Not because I need something, but because I have so much to thank God for. Aliyawa, lanang kunon man dadasal, pero misasalamat. And then this one, sa kwanto, sometimes it isn't about the answer to prayer. Sometimes it's about what you learn while waiting for the answer. No arom, may importante, no anto may nagagawad sika, nagiging humble while waiting for the answer. At sayan, kabasan, we will learn from the prayers of two women. Say unaan, si Hannah. Arengal yuyaad, first reading. Si Hannah. At ay ngaran ni Hannah, sa ilabay ito ni baga, favor or grace. Pero si Hannah, arengal yun first reading, she was barren. Agamakanak, baog. Tansa may asawa to, sa ingaran to may asawa to, Elkana, wala ni sakay, yung asawa to, sa ingaran to may saranay Penina, sampluray anak to, may Penina. Tagaylay Penina mo tay, kantsawan ton lanang, iinsultuan ton lanang, mulag-mulagan ton lanang si Hannah.